Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study set, and so we are where we are going to cover what is set. Then we will study what are the features available in this set. Then we will try to understand what are the mathematical operations we can apply on this set, and after that, in the last, we will study what are the methods available on this set. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so set is nothing but it's a, you can say, unordered collection of data. Means there will be no sequence or no indexing will be there in the data. Means randomly data can be stored into the collection, that is called set. And most important feature, it can't have duplicate item. So two important feature of set, that is it is unordered and it can't have a duplicate item. So it makes it's different from other data structure. Just like other data structure, list can have duplicate item also, and it have a sequence, it is a in ordered process. But set is unordered and it can have a duplicate item. Sorry, it can't have a duplicate item. So let's see what are the features available in this set. So it is unordered, it doesn't have a indexing, and it is mutable. It don't it can't have duplicate items, and it is heterogeneous in nature, but it can have only immutable type of data structure, just like int, float, complex, and string and tuple. And yes, we can apply the loop on the set, so that's why it's iterable. So let's start first how to create a set. So how to create a set? Just simply, I'm defining one variable. In the variable, I'm going to store the data into set with the help of curly bracket. So first of all, how to recognize list? List should be written into square bracket. How to recognize tuple? Tuple should be written into parenthesis. And how to recognize set? Set should be written into curly bracket. Okay, in the curly bracket, I am writing 1 comma 3 comma 4 5 comma 6 comma 5 comma 3 2 comma 3 comma 2.3.5 comma suppose ram. Okay, this is my tuple. Sorry, this is my set. Now if I'm going to call my set, so what I have told earlier, set can't have a duplicate item. But here in this set, what I have mentioned, you can see in this particular set I have mentioned 5 is 5 is coming two times, and 3 is also coming two times. So it have a duplicate item. But yes, once you have created the set, if you have written duplicate item also, it will remove it. You can see in the result, no, 5 is only one time, 5 have been removed, and 1 3 is also removed. Each and every item is only one time. I hope it is clear. Means it can't have a duplicate item, if you are able to understand. So, and another way, so we can create this set with the help of list also. How to create a set with the help of list? Just like if I have one list, 1 comma something comma something comma something comma something comma something, like that. So if with the help of this list, if I want to create set, how I can create? Just like simply I have to call the, I have to do data conversion, just like set a. Now you can say it have been converted into set. A is a list, but I have converted into set. So now 145667 is converted into set, and that is 14567. So 1 6 have been removed. Why it have been removed? Because set can't have a duplicate item. I hope it is clear. So if you want to see the data type, so which particular method you have to call? Type method. Type of a, you can see it is list. Why it is showing me list? Because in the a I have stored list. So if I want to update it, a is equal to now set. You can see now a is set. Okay, Another features, set is unordered, means it can't have a indexing. So if I want to check, hey, if it doesn't have indexing, we can't apply indexing and slicing on the set. We can't apply set, indexing and slicing on set because it is unordered, and it doesn't have a indexing. So like that, if I'm calling a colon, sorry, a square bracket 1, and if I'm calling it, it will give me error. Why it will give me error? Because indexing is not applicable on set. You can see set object is not subscriptable, means we can't apply indexing on the set because it is unordered and it is in unindexed. I hope it is clear. Okay, so that's it, how to create a set and what are the properties of the set we have seen. Now let's move to the what are the mathematical operation we can apply on the set. So this is important term. So I hope in the school time you have studied these operations: union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, like that. I think union you have studied in the school time, and if you are studied computer science in the logic system, there you have studied or operator, or or logic, like that. Union are treated as a or logic. So for that we have a two options for all mathematical operation. Either I can use operator symbol or I can use method. So both are available. So what do you mean by union? First, let's try to understand all four operations. What is union? Suppose I have a two set. In these two set I have some common element, and some items are different. So if I'm combining both, so what will happen? In it will combine unique item, and it will combine also common item also. So this is union, combining all unique element from two sets. Okay. What is intersection? It will combine only, it will give you only unique items. It will not give you those elements which is not common. Okay, I hope you are able to understand intersection. And this will be denoted by ampersand. Okay, so what is difference? Difference means if I want to check, hey, this particular item is available in another set or not. So for that I can use difference. So symmetric difference means, suppose which is not in both, so except common, means if I have a two set, one set and second set. In the first set, some of the items are common in both set. So at that time if I want to find out okay, symmetric difference is the what, so except common, whatever is remaining, that is symmetric difference. Please try to understand. Whatever will be common area, that will be removed, and remaining part will be symmetric difference. So let's try to understand by example. Just like I have a two set a and b. In the a I have a 1 2 3 4 5, and in the b I have a 4 5 6 7 8. So what is common element in these two set? 4 5 is a common element. Yes, am I right? A and in the A and B, 4 and 5 is a common element, and 1 2 3 and 6 7 8 is a different element in both A and B. So let's try to, so you will tell me, if I'm combining both of them, A and B means union, what will be output? Obviously whatever unique element of A and unique element of B, that will be combined. Obviously definitely it will be combined, but whatever will be common element of both set, that will come only one time, not two times. So overall union means unique element of both set, combining unique element of both set. So let's see. So here I have applied by both method, just like union and intersection. So a dot, suppose I want to apply union with the help of pipe operator. This is straight line is pipe operator. A A or B, you can say, you can call it A or B also, A union B also, or A pipe operator B. So at the end, its meaning is union. So if I'm finding out, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing I can apply with the help of method. Which particular method is there? Union. A dot union. Which particular set I want to do union? B. You can see. Then also it's giving me same. A pipe operator B, or you can use method A dot union B. I hope it is clear. Same thing I'm going to apply for intersection. Okay, in the intersection, what is the operator? Ampersand. So A ampersand B, it will give you common element of both set. What is the common element of both set? Please tell me in the into the comment box. What is the common element of the both set? Yes, 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5 is a common element in both set. So if I want to find out intersection, just like I can use ampersand operator A and B, it will give me 4 and 5. Either I can use operator, direct operator, either I can use method A dot intersection B. In the bracket, I have to pass B. You can see again 4 comma 5. Okay, let me tell you for the difference. Another operation, mathematical operation on this set is difference. I want to see is, suppose in A what is there, 1 2 3 4 5, and this B what is there, 4 5 6 7 8. I want to see A minus B means A, I am differentiating from A to B. So whatever will be in A, in that whatever will be common, that will be removed, only unique item will be there. So let me write it down, A minus B. I hope you are clear. Let me tell you, yes, what will be answer? A minus B. Anyone? What I want to do? A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in both, what I want to do? A minus B means whatever will be common, that will be removed. Only unique item of A will be remaining. A minus B. That is. Yes. What will you answer? Yes. Anyone? Again, I'm repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in A set, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is in this second set. What I want to do, I want to remove common element from A, means A minus B. Whatever will be common in A and B, I am removing that particular item which is common in both. So answer will be 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 will be removed. Okay, next operation. Suppose I want to do B minus A, then at that time what will be answer? What will be answer for B minus A? What I want to do in B, what is there? 4 5 6 7 8. From I want to remove 1 2 3 4 5. So whatever will be common, that will be removed, except whatever will be in B, that will be remaining. So yes, correct. 6 7 8, you can see. Not 7 will be also there, no? Yes. 6 7 8. Okay, fine. If you are able to understand, set. So not next operation is symmetric difference. So symmetric difference, let me tell you in this format. So symmetric difference will be used with the help of caret operator. What is caret operator? I think in mathematics you have studied by power. In mathematics you have studied by power. Here it is called caret. A caret B. What is the meaning of A caret B? So try to understand. 1 2 3 4 5, 4 5 6 7 8. In these two, whatever will be common, that I'm going to remove it, and accept all will be your symmetric difference. Okay, let me run it. You can see What is common in your A and B? 4 5 is a common. 4 5 will be removed, except 4 5 everything will be there. So that is symmetric difference. 1 2 3 6 7 8. 1 2 3 6 7 8. Is it fine to everyone? Whatever will be common, that will be removed, except common, each and everything will be there. That is symmetric difference. So next operation is just checking the which this particular item in my set or not. That's it. So first of all, I'm going to call my one set A. In this set, I want to check, hey, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 in A or not. If I want to check, it will give me true. Yes, 5 is there. Just then it will give me true. But if I'm checking 6 in A at the time, what it will give? It will give me false. Why it will give me false? 6 is not in A. That's why it will give me false. You can see. It's a very simple. I think you are able to understand. Membership operator. Okay. So that's it about mathematical operation. What are the mathematical operations we have seen for this set? Union, intersection, symmetric difference, and difference. Okay. If you are able to understand, let's move for the methods. What are the methods available for set? Just like list, we will see lots of method. In the list, what are the methods we have seen? Append method, insert method, extend method for addition process. What are the methods we have studied for deletion? We have studied remove, pop, clear, del, like that here also. So in a similar way, we are going to see all of the methods related to set. So for that, let me start one by one. Oh, I have already mentioned here. Wait, let me remove all them. I will start from. So one list I have A in the, sorry, not list, it's a set. I have one set 1 4 5 6 7. Okay, in this set I want to add one more item. I want to add one more item. So at the time A dot add which particular item. Suppose I want to add 9. You can see 9 will be added in my set. Yes, 1 4 5 6 7 9. And here if I want to fetch, okay, hey, if A 9 is on which position? 0 1 2 3 4 5. It is on fifth position. What will be answer? You will tell me. Yes, tell me. I have written A square bracket 5. What will be answer? Anyone? Why it is giving error? Anyone? Yes, why it is giving error? Yes, anyone? Why it is giving error? Yes. You can say slicing is not in set, or set is unindexed, or set is unordered. So if there is no indexing, how we can apply indexing? That's why it is giving me error. Okay. I want to check. I have already taught above, but I want to check what you are saying. I think it's clear to everyone. How I can add any particular item. In similar way, what is the method in the list? Append method is there in the list. Here add method is there. So in a similar way, if I want to, what is next method? Update. Okay. In this set, if I want to add multiple item at a time, at that time I can pass, yes, multiple 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma something. If I'm passing, it will update it. You can see I'm going to call it. It's like extend method. In the list we have studied extend method, like that it's there. We are updating new items in my set. So already I have a one. What are the items we have in our set already? 1 4 5 6 7. 1 4 5 1 4 5 6 7 we have already. And what are the new items? Wait, 1 4 5 6 7 9 also, because here I have added 9 also. So what are the extra element I am going to add? 2, 4 is already there, 5 was also already there, 7 I have added. So extra element will come 2 and 7. Wait, I think, is it visible to everyone or it's reconnecting? I think because of internet. Let me connect with another Wi-Fi. Okay, now it's, I think it's working. Okay, fine. So if add method is clear, update method means if I want to extend my set another set, I can use update method. But let me write another way, into another way. A dot update, spelling is correct, incorrect. Update. Then I'm passing one list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma something, something. What is there? You can see again it's have been updated. So what is the meaning here? It's not like that only you can. Okay, screen is okay. Let me share again. Because of internet connectivity, this is okay. Is it visible now? Okay, fine. So it's not like that only you can add set into your set. You can update any type of means you can update item with the help of list also. You can update item with the help of tuple also. You can update item with the help of set also. So you can update with any type of data structure. Just like another example I'm taking, a dot update. Then here I'm passing what I'm passing, tuple. I'm going to pass tuple 1 2 comma something comma something comma something comma something. Okay, now you can see again I have updated my tuple, sorry, upon set. Okay, so you can update your set with the help of tuple also, with the help of set also, with the help of list also. Okay, I hope it is clear. Update method. So if you are able to understand what are the method, add and update. With the help of add I can add single item, and with the help of update I can add multiple item. Okay, only important thing is whatever data structure you are going to use to update it, it should be iterable. Okay, now let's start the uh, deletion process. In the deletion process I'm going to remove what is in, first let me check what is in my set. What is in my set? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 56 77 triple six. So from my this particular set I want to remove, what I want to remove, I want to remove triple six. You can see I'm able to remove it. A, why it is giving me error? Because I have already removed it. I have run it again. Because of that only it's giving me error. Because you can see, wait, let me call it again. What is in my what is in my set? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 56 and 77. So from here I want to remove suppose 77. So I will write 77, then I'm going to call my variable. You will see 77 will be removed. Yes, now it have been removed. So if you want to remove any particular item, you can use remove method. But remember, if that particular item is not in your set, it will give you error. If it is there, it will remove. If it is not there, it will give you error. But there is one method, that is discard method. What is difference between remove method and discard method? Remove method will give you error if that particular item is not there. But if you are using, suppose this, let me give you example of again, a dot remove, because I have already removed 77, so I am calling again, it will give you error. But if I'm calling discard method, discard, because I have already removed 77, but again I am trying to remove 77, it will not give you error. Means it have been already removed, then also it will not give you error. But if it is there and you want to remove it, then it will remove it. But if it is not there, then it will not. Means it's a simple funda, is if it is there, remove it. If it is not there, don't give me error. But what is the application of remove method? If it is there, remove it. If it is not there, give me error. It's like in the life, some of the boys are like that. If you are giving him something, if father have given some gift to that particular son, he is happy. If he have not given the something, then also he is happy. Means it's a discard method. If he have given, then also happy. If he is not given, then also happy. But remove method is, if you have given, then he is happy. If you have not given, he will be not happy. Remove method. Okay, I hope it is clear. So let me remove 56 with the help of discard method. It will remove 56. Let me remove 9 with the help of discard method. It will remove 9. Let me remove again 9 with the help of remove method, discard method. It will not give you error and it will not do anything. I hope it is clear. Here also same thing I have done. A dot discard, a dot discard. Suppose I want to remove 100 from my list, but if there is no 100, so it will not give you error. Okay, I hope you are able to understand remove and discard method. Only one difference, remove method will do same thing and discard method also will do same thing. Only one difference, remove method, if there will be no element, such type of element which you are going to remove it, then remove method will give you error, but discard method will not give you error. Hey, it's buffering. Is it fine? My screen is visible. Okay. So next method is pop method. Okay, what is the use of pop method? Actually, let me make it simple. Suppose in A, what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I want to apply A dot pop method. And what I want to remove? I want to remove 4. So what type of error it is giving? Is it visible? Okay, fine then. So similar to list, what is the use of pop method? It will remove item with the help of index. If you are passing index, then it's fine. If you are not passing index, it will remove from the last. Okay. If you are not passing any index, it will remove from the last. So here what I have done, a dot pop method, and I have passed 4, but it is giving me error. Why it is giving me error? Because it doesn't require any type of argument. Why it doesn't require any type of argument? Because yes, set is unindexed and set is unordered. Obviously it doesn't take any type of indexing. It will remove only item from the last. That's it. Remove and discard method will remove, it doesn't matter where is your element, it will remove that particular item. But if you are using pop method will remove only item from the last. So let me call without index a dot pop. Now it will remove item from the last. You can see what is in the last. You can see, and it's not like that only last, it will remove any item. Let me call again my set here. Now what is in this set? 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see, it's a very random effect. Means in from your set it can remove any item, because set is unordered and it is unindexed, so it doesn't know which particular item it should remove. It will remove randomly. Now I'm going to run it again. You will see one item will be removed. Which particular item will be removed? Let's see. Oh, our set is empty. Why it is empty? Wait, let me check. A, I have called A. Yes, in A, because I had run multiple times, so it have been empty. So again, I'm going to create my set here. A is equal to something comma something comma something comma something comma something. Okay, this is set A, and I want to use a dot pop method here. So a dot pop method, what I have removed here? 0. If I'm running again, it have removed, and again. Let me see the result. Yes, 0 have been removed. If I'm running again, you can see. Wait, in the next line, a dot pop method. See, 2 have been removed randomly. It's removing item randomly. What is Python Summit real life project? Means here we are studying set. Okay, in the last, once whenever we are going to cover libraries, means Python libraries for AI, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Cpon, at that time we will generate the project. So currently we are covering basics of the Python, means data structure in the Python. So only with the help of data structure in the Python we can't create project. Once we are going to cover basics of the Python, then we can create a project. I hope it's clear. Okay, so I think you are able to understand remove, discard, and pop method. Now we will see clear method. Clear method is simple. We are going to delete all the item from my set. A dot clear. What is currently in this set? This particular item: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 88. So if I want to remove it, you can see my set is now empty. I hope it is clear. So if you are able to understand addition process and deletion process, so let's move some other methods which is for set to check it is subset or superset. So just like here, I have a two set 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see here 1 2 3 is a S1 is a part of S2. You can say. So what is the meaning of S1 is a part of S2? That is called S1 is a subset of S2. S1 is a subset of S2. Means whatever item is in S1, that is also in the S2. Means total all the element of S1 is in S2. So you can say S1 is a subset of S2. In opposite way, I can say S2 is a superset of S1. Means whatever item in S1, all of them are in S2. Means it have all the items of S1. So S2 is a superset of S1. So same thing we have checked here. You can see if I'm checking S1 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 dot subset of which particular set? S2 with is also question mark is. I'm asking question. Hey, S1 is subset of S2. So what will be answer? Yes, true. You can see it's giving me true. But if I'm checking S2 is a subset of S1, what will be answer? Yes, tell me. S2 is a subset of S1. Yes, anyone? Please answer into the comment box. Means what I'm asking, S2 is a subset of S1 or not? It will give you false. Yes, it's not. Means S2 is not subset of S1. S2 is superset. It is not subset. Subset means it is a part of that particular bigger list or bigger set, but it's not there. S2 is bigger, S1 is lesser. So it will give you false. Okay. So next in the next line, if I'm going to check superset, S2 is a S2 is superset of S1. At that time it will give me true. Why? Yes, S2 is superset of S1, that's why it's giving me true. But if I'm changing S1 is superset of S2, it will give me false because S1 is not superset of S2. I hope it is clear. So next method is disjoint. Is disjoint means it will give you difference. Means just like, hey, S3 is a, means whatever element in 1 and 2. Let me take more example. Just like here it is giving S3 is disjoint of S4. What is the meaning of it? So simply means there is no common area between S3 and S4. Means it have an intersection point or not. Is disjoint means it have an intersection element or not. If it is intersection element is there, so you can say it's a false. Means it have an intersection point. But if it is not there, then you can say it have a joint connection. Simple intersection point is there between two set, means it is have a joint connection. Disjoint means it doesn't have a connection between these two set. So in this S3 and S4 there is a connection or not? Means there is no common element, so it doesn't have a joint process, means it is a disjoint. That's why it's giving me true. Means there is no common element between S3 and S4. But if I'm writing here, let me write here, I'm increasing 3, and here also you can see I have written 1 comma 2 comma 3, and in S4 3 comma 4. So here you can understand what is common element between S3 and S4, 3. So now if I'm calling hey, S3 is disjoint with S4, then it will give me false. Why it will give me false? Yes, in between S3 and S4 joint is there. With which element joint is there? 3. So in this condition, it's not, you can't say it's a disjoint, it is a joint. So it will give you false. I hope it is clear to everyone. Disjoint means simply no intersection point. So I think, yeah, with the help of copy method, obviously it's a very simple. We can copy one set value into another variable with the help of copy method. So very simple. Just I have copied. Let me convert. Just like here, I have S3. I'm copying S A is equal to S3 dot copy. Yes, it have been copied into a variable. Now if I'm calling a, you can see whatever will be in S3 variable is S3 set, it will be copied to a variable. That's it, it's a copy. So that's it about methods available in set. Now we are going to see same function whatever we have studied for earlier data structures, just like list, string, tuple. See, all of the functions are applicable for all type of data structure, not only set. So what are those functions? These are functions, these are not methods. How to recognize it's a function, it's not a method? So if any variable dot any particular function will be there, then that will be called method. But directly method is there, is there is no dot or any variable dot is there, at that time you can say it's not. Means if it is dot is a dot something will be there, that is method. If there is no dot, means if there is no object is there, at that time you can say it's a function. In a simple way, whatever function will be defined in class and object, sorry, not in object, whatever function will be defined in the class, that will be called method. And if that particular function is defined independently, it is not in function, it is not in class, then at that time it will be called function. Okay, someone is wishing happy birthday. What is going on? Okay, fine. So what are the function? Len function. Len function is used to count the number of item. So it will give me 5, because how many items are here? 5 items are there. Max function will give you biggest or you can say largest element of that particular set. And min function will give you smallest number of that particular set. And sum will give you the summation of all element from that particular set. So you can see the result. So it's a very easy, so you can't, no need to spend that much time. So I hope that's it for today. So what are the things we have studied till now? We have studied first how to create a set and what are the features of the set. So most important, two important things in the set, that is it can't have duplicate item. So this is the unique feature of the set. It can't have duplicate item. If you are passing also, it will remove it. Just like if I have passed in the curly bracket 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2, like that. Just like here, let me take the example. Just like here in this set I have passed 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2, then it will remove automatically. You can see all of the 2 have been replaced by single 2. Okay, so after creation we have studied features, then we have studied what are the mathematical operations are applicable on the set. Those are important, those are union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. And after that we have studied methods for the addition, for the deletion. Then other methods we have studied, just like what are the methods we have studied? Just like clear, then just like is superset, is disjoint, is subset. So yeah, that's it about today. Thank you so much for joining. Good night.